Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 14 reasons for blurry vision and how to fix them. Blurry vision can happen for many reasons. Let's take a look at some common causes and what you can do about them. 1. You might need glasses. Blurry vision could mean your eyes aren't focusing light properly due to their shape or lens issues. Glasses, contacts, or minor surgery can correct it. 2. Your eyes are tired or dry. Staring at screens or focusing too long can dry and strain your eyes. Blink more, take breaks, and use artificial tears for relief. 3. Diabetes could be the cause. High blood sugar can swell your eye lens, causing blurry vision. Regular checkups can help catch and manage related eye issues. 4. Your eye might be inflamed. Infections, injuries, or poorly maintained contacts can inflame your eyes. Treat promptly to avoid serious complications. 5. Low blood pressure. Blurry vision with dizziness might mean your blood pressure is too low due to dehydration, medications, or heart issues. 6. Glaucoma may be building pressure. Red, painful eyes or halos around lights could mean glaucoma, which needs quick treatment to prevent vision loss. 7. It could be a migraine. Visual disturbances like zigzags or blurry spots often precede migraines. See a doctor if they last over an hour or affect one eye. 8. You might have a cataract. Cataracts, common after 55, cloud your lens but can be treated with surgery for clearer vision. 9. Aging eyes. After 40, focusing up close becomes harder due to presbyopia. Reading glasses or contacts can help. 10. Scratched cornea. A scratch feels like something stuck in your eye. Don't rub it, flush with saline and see a doctor to prevent infection. 11. Brain-related issues. A concussion, stroke, or tumor can disrupt vision processing. Sudden blurry vision needs urgent medical attention. 12. Retina damage. Swelling or tears in the retina can distort or block vision. Conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure increase the risk. 13. It could be MUS. Optic nerve swelling may cause blurry vision and could signal multiple sclerosis. Eye pain with movement is another warning sign. 14. Pregnancy complications. Blurry vision with headaches or nausea could indicate preeclampsia, a serious pregnancy condition needing immediate care. If you're experiencing persistent blurry vision, don't wait, talk to your doctor to get to the bottom of it. Early detection can make a big difference in protecting your eyesight. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.